2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as side view mirrors with turn signals,
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio,
premium sound system,
turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning,
blind spot monitor,
heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.